Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Randall and Rueff here. Today is Friday, May 26th, 2023 AD. It's 11:45 in the AM, almost noon. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take this picture, which I've already cropped to a 16:9 format. This is a picture of a Smith Corona typewriter that, before she died, belonged to my grandmother. They had it out for the garage sale. They didn't sell it. So I took it home, and it's been sitting in the garage for years now. But this is sitting out, the actual typewriter in this case is out in the garage. And I took this picture on the day they had a garage sale. I thought, I may use it someday. So anyway, I've cropped it down to the 16:9 format. What I'm going to do now is show you how to take a 2D image and convert it into a 3D image. And what you're going to need for part of this video, and I'll tell you when you're going to need it, but you're going to need a pair of the red and blue 3D glasses. And first of all, I'm going to duplicate this file. So you'll need those red and blue 3D glasses for part of this video. We're not there yet. I'll tell you when you need them. But you will need them to fully understand the video. You'll need those glasses at a certain time. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, using the command, of course I'm on a Macintosh, command and A, which is all, so as you can see it puts a highlight around everything in the picture. And then I'm going to command C for copy, and then command Q for quit, that's the preview. And then I'm going to go to Affinity Photo, which is the program I like, and then we're going to go to, let's see, it's 58 copy, open. And it's, where is it? Choosing the pair at the top. There it is. And then quickly I'm going to paste it. V. Puts another one in there. Alright. And then I'm going to put the red. And then I'm going to paste another one. And make it blue. And then I'm going to take the blue one, and with the opaqueness, I'm going to take it down to 60%. For me, that just seems to be the right percentage to work. Now, you can see here on the corners or the edges, they got a little bit of an overlap, or part where it doesn't overlap all the way, but that's fine. We'll deal with that here in a little bit. Next, we want to take select the blue one that now looks purple because of the way I think things are. This is the point where you're going to need to take your 3D glasses and put them on. And then I'm going to take this and then hit my arrow key and move it over about 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you're wearing red and blue glasses, you can see that just gave it some depth, especially if you look at the background. And the more you move it off, the more depth it gives. But it also makes some things like you can see right here, the letters, it really makes them look weird if they're too far apart. So going back, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is plenty. And that's how you do it. Save it and you're ready to go. Of course you want to crop it. Get rid of those edges. And there you go.